Hello, my name is Stacy Wild and I'm the Career Services Coordinator for State Fair Career and Technology Center. I have the honor of announcing the 2019-2020 certificates and awards earned by our CTC students. I usually have the opportunity to present these at graduations and award ceremonies, but this year instead, I will be announcing them now. We have the following from Warsaw. Juniors in Automotive, Zachary Fennell receives the Certificate of Achievement, Dual College Credit, 20 AC Delco Professional GM Service Training certifications. This professional service training aligns with the ASE certification standards for the GM Master Technician certification. ASE student certifications in automotive, electrical, suspension and steering, and engine performance. The Automotive Service Excellence Student Certification Exam mirrors the ASE Industry Certification Test for mechanics. The certification is valid for 2 years. After 2 years of on-the-job experience, the professional ASE test may be taken and recertified every 5 years. Austin Fox receives Certificate of Achievement, Dual College Credit, and 10 AC Delco Professional GM Service Training certifications, as well as ASE student certifications in automobile electrical. Ariel Givens receives the Certificate of Achievement, Dual College Credit, 11 AC Delco Professional GM Service Training certificates, and ASE student certifications in automotive electrical and maintenance light repair. In building trades, Xander Fletcher receives dual credit and the CareerSafe certificate for successfully completing a 10-hour occupational safety and health training course by OSHA. Willard Palmer, certificate of participation and his CareerSafe certificate. In criminal justice, Jacob Graham receives the certificate of completion, dual college credit, criminal justice physical fitness award. Brendan Griffith receives the Certificate of Achievement, Criminal Justice Physical Fitness Award, Canine Operations and Persistent Driving Basics by the Police One Academy, which offers law enforcement and corrections courses which are approved and recognized by several states for continuing education and training requirements. Dakota Macon receives the Certificate of Achievement, the Criminal Justice Physical Fitness Award, and the Criminal Justice Leadership Award. In early childhood careers, Taylor Wilcox receives the Certificate of Completion. In graphic design, Sierra Keyte receives the Certificate of Participation. In health occupations, Arianna Herrick receives the Certificate of Achievement and the Certified Nurse's Aide, which she is eligible for. Nursing assistants are vital, and the federal, state, and professional requirements regulate the training and certification and practice of the CNA. In the state of Missouri, which requires 75 hours of classroom instruction while taking exams, maintaining an 80%, an additional 100 hours of hands-on training, and 64 procedures before setting for the state examination, which includes 75 written test questions and a hands-on test. Joseph Montez receives a Certificate of Completion, and he is also eligible for the Certified Nurse's Aide. Hallie Wenberg receives the Certificate of Achievement and is eligible for the Certified Nurse's Aide. IEM, Dragon Koch, receives Certificate of Participation and the CareerSafe certificate. Wesley Drake receives the Certificate of Achievement and the CareerSafe certificate. Paul Landsberg receives a certificate for the CareerSafe program. Justin Martin receives a Certificate of Participation and the CareerSafe certificate. In precision machining, Lucas Culbertson receives the Certificate of Completion, Dual College Credit, and the CareerSafe certificate. Gavin Roth receives the Certificate of Completion and the CareerSafe certificate. In welding, Timothy Burkhart receives dual credit. Drake Dotson receives dual credit. Zachary Sharp receives the Certificate of Achievement, dual college credits, and has completed the AWS Sense program, a comprehensive set of minimum standards and guidelines for welding education programs supported by the American Welding Society. Seniors in automotive, Chase Steiner receives a certificate of completion, dual college credit, 6 AC Delco Professional GM Service Training certifications, ASE student certifications in suspension and steering, engine repair, automatic transmission, manual drivetrain, heating and air, maintenance and light repair, and automotive service. Trent Vega receives a certificate of completion, dual credit, 3 AC Delco Professional GM Service Training certifications, and ASE student certifications in engine repair, automatic transmission, manual drivetrain, heating and air, maintenance and light repair, and automotive service. In building trades, Delmar Graves receives a certificate of completion and dual college credit. Patrick Sorrell receives a certificate of participation. In criminal justice, Kane Culbertson receives a certificate of achievement, dual college credit, criminal justice academic performance certificate, criminal justice physical fitness certificate, and for achieving at the highest level for 2 years in his career program, the Career Passport. In 1994, the Division of Career Education implemented a program to recognize students completing a career and technical program. Students receiving the Career Passport have met the following requirements. Completed the career and technical program, mastering competencies at 85% or better, maintaining a 95% attendance with a grade of B or better, and demonstrate good citizenship. Joshua Kirchenbach receives the Certificate of Achievement, dual college credit, the Criminal Justice Academic Performance Certificate, the Criminal Justice Leadership Award, the Criminal Justice Physical Fitness Certificate. He also receives Dispatch Communications, Communication Skills 1 and 2, Crowd Control, Career Professionalism, Defensive Driving Principles, and Active Shooter 1 through 4, which are Police Academy certificates. Also, for his high level of achievement, he receives the Career Passport. In graphic design, Anna Cawood receives a certificate of completion. Aniston McMillan receives a certificate of participation. Kendra Miller receives a certificate of achievement and the Career Passport for her high achieving the past 2 years in her program. Toni Turner receives a certificate of achievement, dual college credit, and due to her 2 years of achieving at the highest level, the Career Passport. In industrial equipment maintenance, Madeline Brashears receives a certificate of participation. In welding, Colby Fox receives a certificate of achievement, the CareerSafe certificate, and the AWS structural welding certifications by the American Welding Society, which certifies welding program tests and procedures used for structural steel, pipelines, sheet metal, and chemical refinery welding industry. Chandler Kuhn receives the certificate of participation, the CareerSafe certificate, and his AWS structural welding certifications. Jacob Weiser receives the certificate of achievement, dual credit, the CareerSafe certificate, and AWS structural welding certifications. Congratulations to each of you. You may pick up your certificates from the high school office. Good luck to the seniors. Remember, we are still here for assistance. Juniors, we look forward to seeing you next year to continue your career training. Again, congratulations.